All right, President Trump gets reelected. The Fed cuts rates. What's that mean for the market? We all know by now. Low levels of volatility, new all-time highs, and the best week of the year for the S&P 500. Let's take a look at how the week unfolded. You can see here we start the week around unchanged, move sideways to slightly higher, big gap higher on the back of President Trump getting reelected. And then you can see steady grind higher, low levels of volatility. These are all new all-time highs. S&P finishes the week up 4.7%, best week of the year for the S&P. As a reminder, back in 2016, when Trump was first elected president, what followed? Lowest levels of volatility in history, new all-time highs, and 15 consecutive up months. And I want to share a visual of what that looked like. This is a weekly chart going back to 2016. Go back to 2016. You can see clear low levels of volatility. That's reflected in the size of the bars. These are all new all-time highs. And then late January of 18 into February of 18, you can see fastest stock market correction in history. 2018 also first down year in 10 years, and the clear beginning of a new volatility regime. So where do we go from here? Is the market going to continue its historic ascent? Are we going to give some back? Well, this coming week is going to get interesting, and I'm going to share why. Look what's coming out this week. We've got CPI, PPI, retail sales, and Powell is speaking. So inflationary data, consumer spending data, the Fed chair is going to speak. Who knows where we're going to go? Where we're going to go from here. But here's the thing. If you want to beat the S&P with less downside volatility, this is how you have to do it. You have to manage risk every day. You have to seek rallies from profits and declines in the S&P, and you have to manage S&P risk with S&P risk. That's the only way you're going to make the S&P a better long-term investment. And if we go back and take a look at the weekly chart, I'm going to actually make this a daily chart because our bull-bear system manages risk every day. Look at all the opportunity to add value and alpha, right? You want short side alpha? Look at all the opportunity to add value on the downside and the upside as well. If you're looking for a data-driven system that can add value to help you beat the S&P over the long term, our 3D bull-bear system is built to do exactly that. Our 3D clients are using our bull-bear system to make money in good times and in bad. If you have questions, we welcome your call.